Hey girlfriend, welcome back to my channel. And if you ever said, I want more peace, more profit, and more purpose in how I make money, then you know you were in the right place.
So today we're not just talking strategy. We're talking alignment because before you start a done for you digital product business, before you write that MiniHER book, before you start calling yourself the CEO of anything, there are some sacred mindset shifts you have got to make now. Okay? You got to. I never really try to tell you what you have to do, but these right here, you really have to. Okay, girl, you have to. These are what's going to truly separate the hustlepreneurs from the soft life CEOs. And I know you're here because you are done doing it the hard way, or you don't even want to start the hard way. You like, girl, give me ease. Okay. Because I know what I want. I know what I already have to deal with in life, period. So I don't need this to stress me out too. So I got you. I want to talk about the 10 shifts that changed my life and the lives of the women that I personally mentor. Okay. So you ready? Let's get it. One, ease is allowed. Yes. This one right here, it set me free. Some of us were taught that ease means laziness, that if it's not hard, it's not worth anything. But that's something I had to unlearn immediately, because ease doesn't mean you're not doing nothing. Ease simply means you're finally doing what's aligned. Okay. I can make money in a way that feels natural and not forced. Okay. Say that with me, girl. Yeah. I can make money in a way that feels natural and not forced. And we can do this legally too. Number two is my piece is profitable. Okay. I used to grind. I know about grinding. Okay. And I was very proud of it, but I was also anxious. I was also tired and burnt out. Then God whispered to me and said, Girl, Sharita, peace is not a reward for your hustle. Peace is your strategy. I'm already giving it to you. You just got to tap in, girl. You got to tap all the way into the peace. You can have it if you want it. When I built my software business, I made peace my non negotiable. And let me tell you, my income didn't shrink, it actually grew. It grew a lot more than I expected. Number three, start before you're ready. Because here's the truth, clarity doesn't come from sitting on an idea, clarity comes when you do. Clarity comes in the doing. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take the next step of obedience. You need progress over perfection always. Always. You see my YouTube channel? I have a lot of videos here. When I started taking YouTube serious, I wasn't perfect. Heck, I didn't even show my face for like maybe the first 6, 9 months. I didn't really show my face here on this channel. I just recorded videos from the questions I was getting, what I felt like my audience needed to know, and I started recording. Okay. So if you're new to me, the only reason why you can binge watch my content now is because I took the steps to go ahead and hit record and get it done without being trying to be perfect. So now I have a whole library. My channel is a whole asset to my business that makes me money on repeat every day. Number four, use what you already know. I didn't build my publishing business with a fancy degree. Okay, I invested in coaching, learned, I built it with what I already knew and what I already lived. That's the secret. What you have up here, your knowledge, your story, what's in here, your lived experience, that's the gold. And it's more than enough. It is more than enough. Number 5, no need to start from scratch. Okay, when I discovered done for you digital products, PLR content, master resale rights, girl, I felt like I had my life back. I got my life back. I got the secret sauce because you don't need to have to create everything yourself. Use the tools, use the templates, use AI. This is a soft life era. We do this smart and not stressful. We are living in a time, one of the best times to start an online business. Don't get left behind. Start now. Because, see, what's going to start happening is that some of these tools, some of these AI tools, some of these things are going to be priced so high that you won't be able to get access. Start a ChatGPT account while it's free. Upgrade to the $20 a month. Okay? Start the systeme.io account so you can build your funnels. You can start that for free. And even if you want to upgrade, it's only $17 a month. Like, take advantage of the times we're living in now. Because when I started my entrepreneur journey back in 2014, we didn't have all of this. We had to literally do everything from scratch. We didn't have templates. PLR has always been here, but it hasn't been as popular as it is now or accessible because even your favorites are using PLR content. Ask me how I know. Number 6, visibility is ministry. Okay. For my quiet, faith led women, you showing up is not for vanity, it's for impact. Okay. Publishing a MiniHER book, selling digital products, that's kingdom work. When you let your story be seen, lives are changed. It's not about you. And also, on the flip side of that, your life changes too. Number 7, marketing is service. Okay. This is a big one. Marketing used to feel so icky to me until I realized that if God gave me this wisdom, who am I not to share it? You're supposed to share it. Selling became sacred when I started seeing it as helping. When I offer or make offers here on my channel and or make recommendations, if you want to say, yes, you may, she always selling. That's okay. For me, that's serving. Okay. For me, that's me giving a gift. All right. That's me saying, listen, I know you need this, so go get this. Okay. You have the mindset you gotta shift. These are the things you got to. If you, especially if you want to be successful. And let me tell you, all of these things that I'm telling you, it didn't happen overnight. I still work with these things every single day. But every day I get up and say, and I'm gonna put on this grown woman energy, have this grown woman energy, put on my confidence and get out here and share on my YouTube channel what I'm learning, my knowledge that I know, and not being afraid. Because at the end of the day, it's not about me. It's about you, who I'm called to serve. Number 8, reoccurring income is my birthright. You deserve to rest and still receive. The world says hustle. God says stewardship. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It's about setting up streams that keep flowing, even when you're homeschooling, resting, or walking through Target with your babies. Okay. But you got to set it up. You got to do the work first. Like with this video, I had to do the work first to create the video. Okay. I had to do the research. I had to get my work, my tags, and all those things. I have to do all those things before coming on video. All right. This is how I look at my YouTube channel, all of my videos. Every single last one of my videos, I don't expect instant gratification. But what I say, every single time I upload a video, this is $1,000 video. I can make $1,000 off this video. I can make $2,000 off this video. It may come tomorrow. It may come next week. This one video can set me up where I'm making money every single month. That's how I look at my business. That's how I look at how I set up my business. That's why I love YouTube, because how it's set up. I'm always thinking long term. This is why I love writing and publishing books, because that knowledge and expertise in my books will pay me for the rest of my life and will go on to pay my children when I'm no longer here. It's about legacy, baby. It's about legacy. Number 9, systems are support. I used to think systems were cold and robotic. Now, honey, systems are self-care. Whether it's systeme.io or Honeybook or Trello, I use systems that don't run me. They support me and who I am. And number 10, God is my CEO. Above everything else, this is what anchors me. When I'm feeling confused, I pause and I ask, God, what do you want to do? What you want me to do today? Or what do you want to do through me today? This isn't just business, this is stewardship. And when he's the CEO, the results don't lie, okay? Clarity, provision, position, peace, everything. It all falls in place. So, girlfriend, I hope this gave you the permission that you didn't even know you needed. Okay. So before you build your soft light business, make sure your heart and your head are in agreement. Okay. Because when they are, that's when the magic happens. And if you're ready to build with ease, with clarity, and with strategy, I want to personally invite you to my next live info call. Okay. In these sessions, I show you 2 powerful paths to build a soft life business. And trust me, there are a lot of ways. If you search on YouTube, there are so many ways that you can build passive income. But I want to teach you through what I am doing, have done, and continue to do. Okay. And what's working for me. Okay. That's what I want to show you in the live info session. You may come to the session and find that it's not for you, and that's okay. But I want to at least open and give you the opportunity, because that's my mandate. I'm supposed to at least give you the opportunity, right? Because what I say earlier, it's not about me, it's about you. So we have Digital Profits You. If you want to sell a digital product that's already done for you, imagine making $500 plus every single time you sell this digital product. Who doesn't want that? The system already built for you. All you have to do is add your name, your brand, and make things your own. Have your audience speak from your truth, speak from your journey about what you are doing. Have some excitement. You can definitely build a 6-figure business from home just from selling what's already selling. Just from selling what's already working. And then you have the Profitable Publishers Collective, and that's if you want to write books and publish. I write and publish short books. I love it. I absolutely leverage AI to help me to do these things faster. I just take what's in my brain and I use my MiniHER book builder, and I say, listen, this knowledge that I have, I want to turn this into a book. Help me to do that faster. Okay. I have templates. You get support. That's another way too that you can make income from home. I even have women that are building pen names, is what we call like anonymous. They're taking the anonymous publishing route where they don't want to show their face. Okay. They have little children at home, or they, have their grandchildren that they are keeping, and they want to be anonymous and publish anonymously. They don't want people to know their name. They just want to get the information from me, get the guidance from me. They pop in to Voxer to say, hey, what you think about this, and keep it moving. And their goal is most of the time is publishing a book every month, leveraging Amazon ads, leveraging the Amazon platform to get their book in front of the people that are already on that platform to do what? To buy. Okay, so you can think about that route as well. So you do not have to guess anymore. Okay, I'm giving you 2 paths. All right, and I want to help you to build a business that actually loves you back. So the link is below, and I hope to see you on the live. Okay, so if you love my videos, if you love my vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe. like this video, leave me a comment, let me know you're coming to the live session or not, girl. Okay, I want to see you. All right, I want to see your name on that Zoom and connect with you. You can come in and ask me questions as well. I love getting questions. All right, and I especially love connecting with women like you and getting more of a feel of what you desire, and hopefully for me to be that guide for you, that mentor, while you also build your soft life business. All right, so can't wait to see you in our next live info session. Until the next time, I see you there. Okay, girl. Bye.